Hi everyone, Carlos here again. Finally the Corbin set is here for the MT-09. So I just got the box, and I have the original here, the OEM. So I'm excited to open the box and see the difference, and of course install everything, right? And see how it performs. It took about almost 4 weeks to get here, and I don't know, it is not cheap. Paid for $150, $450. So hopefully it's gonna be totally worth it. This. Oh wow, looks substantial. And smells so good. Oh wow, it smells so good. And it's beautiful. Wow. Let me see if I can show you a little bit better. This is the Corbin. This is the original. Looks nice. I like the fit and finish. See. Oh wow, it's pretty solid. Look at the difference with the staples and everything, and the rivets. Wow, looks very solid. So now to install. Honestly, this one here look, it's, I don't know, it's I don't want to trash the bike because I love the bike and it's so much fun to ride, but this is cheap. Like OEM seat on the MT-09 2025, it's so cheap. It should be a little bit better than this. So Corbin's here. I'm gonna install, and I'm gonna go for a ride and see how it performs, and I'll make another video for that. All right, we'll talk soon. Bye. Okay, so let's take a look at the fitment. Bike is here. I removed the bag and everything, and let's see how this thing goes. Should be just like that. Okay. Here we go. Okay, now it's better. All right, and this one, I think I need my 2 hands. There we go. Awesome. Yay, looks beautiful. Let's see. Well, I need to ride. First impression, firm. I have the Sergeant on a BMW right there, the GS. I don't know if you can see it. This one is definitely a little bit firmer. I'll show you again. This Sergeant here, see? But I don't know. I'll put my gear on and go for a ride. All right, talk soon. All right, so the seat is on and I'm ready to go for the first test. So hopefully it will be good. So this is how it looks like here. All right, let's go. these cars. Definitely, I would say a huge difference. But like I said, it's not plush. It's firm. But I guess it is supposed to be like that, right? It's supposed to have the, I guess, like the break-in period. But it's oh my God, it's 100% better than the stock. So I'm happy with the purchase. So like I said, I ordered probably almost 4 weeks ago, and I just got it today. You can customize the way that you want and all the stitching and everything. I just went plain, but it was just nice, you know. I like the stitching and just the plain color, silver and black leather. I love it. And like I said, it was not cheap. It was $450 just for this, for the front part of it. You know, I didn't need the pillion because I don't have anybody to, you know, put in the back. But anyway, I would say first impressions, really good impressions. Comfortable. And now I cannot wait to go for a long ride with this bike. I was thinking to go to Mount Washington. So maybe I'll take this one instead of the GS and see how it goes. Alright, so I hope you like this video. Subscribe, give me thumbs up, and I see you in the next one. Bye.